My background is in education. I do a lot of reading programs with schools. I'm on the Board of Education. This library was built many years ago. It was heated by geothermal. When I came back last year, I noticed that I said, why are the heating bills so high? Well, it was starting not to function well. And I looked back at the history of it and I thought, wow, this was very costly. Gas line comes in, the guy did the furnace, came in and set it all up. The air heated, the air warmed, eh? It was so nice and warm in here. The hydro bills here go down. The money that was allocated towards that, I can now put someplace else.
We farm around 5,000 acres or 2,000 hectares here on Walpole Island First Nations. We grow soybeans, corn, tomatoes, carrots, onions, a few other crops, wheat. We dry approximately 400,000 bushel of corn here at our operation. Our propane cost on an annual basis ranges anywhere between $50,000 and $100,000 a year. And it's been estimated that we would save using natural gas approximately 50%, so that would help us along immensely. Getting natural gas here will give us an opportunity to improve our new dryer system that we're going to have here, which would make it a little more efficient.
So there's 9 communities between North Bay and Sturgeon Falls that belong to Nipissing First Nation, and they're all very different. So I live on Nipissing First Nation with my one young son who's just under 3 years old. Currently we heat our home with propane and hydro. I am getting a little bit nervous about the upcoming winter months because I don't know how often I'm going to have to refill that propane tank. And it looks really big, but it goes really fast.
We both come from big families. I have 10 brothers and 2 sisters, and Anita's family has 9 sisters and
2 brothers.
When we were on hydro, it was costing us around $7,200 a year. And then we switched over to natural gas 2 years ago, and our savings have been around $3,000 a year. I mean, there's been some healthy jumps in the last 2 years with hydro, so we're glad that it happened. It was just like the right time for it to happen, and we jumped in.
Perfect, yeah.
Nipissing First Nation is a group of planners. In their slogan, it says, "The land, the people, the future." So natural gas fits in with that quite well.